What's good yung mag-gang-gang? It's your boy Rich Gang. Today is stupid. Today is the day we are going to answer the question in the comment section. Dahil maraming nagtatanong kung sino ba yan, sino ba to, saan ba nagsimula si mag-gang-gang? Eto na. Marami ako nababasang comment tulad dito. Sino daw? That's me? Is that... Ha? Kung ako daw yan, yes, it's me. Nakikita bang video na yan? That video was recorded 2019. Birthday lang yan ng tropa ko at lasing ako. Sinubukan ko lang in-upload sa TikTok and boom! Paggising ko, umaga na. Ha? Stupid. So yun guys, paggising ko, naging mag-gang-gang na ako. Ayun na, viral na siya. Saan-saan na umabot sa Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Boom, 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 pang! Ang hirap paliwanagan to. Tuwing my birthday, lumalabas yung video ko na yun. Sinundan ko ng graduation greetings, Valentine's greetings, and everything greetings. Okay? Now you know, it's me. Ha? There's no other than stupid. Ha? Kaya kung may tropa kang hindi niya pa alam, pakishare ng video na to para malaman niya. Ha? Stupid. Ha?